Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be sharing some of the best travel hacks for budget-minded travelers. Whether you're planning a trip across the world or just a weekend getaway, these tips will help you save money and make the most out of your travels. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Flexible travel dates. Being flexible with your travel dates is a great way to save money on flights. When you're looking for flights, try to search for a range of dates rather than just one specific date. You can use websites like Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare prices across different dates. Also, keep in mind that traveling during weekdays is often cheaper than traveling on weekends. Tip number 2. Travel during OFF season. Traveling during off-season is a great way to save money on travel. Off-season typically means fewer crowds, lower prices on accommodations and flights, and more authentic experiences. For example, if you're traveling to Europe, consider traveling in the fall or winter instead of the summer when prices are higher. Tip number 3. Use travel rewards. Using travel rewards can be a great way to save money on travel. Many credit cards offer points or miles for travel purchases, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and rental cars. Make sure to compare different rewards programs to find the one that works best for you. You can also sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs to earn points and perks for future travels. Tip number 4. Book accommodations strategically. When it comes to booking accommodations, there are a few strategies you can use to save money. Consider staying in a hostel or Airbnb instead of a hotel. These options are often much cheaper and provide a more authentic experience. Also, try booking directly with the hotel or rental owner, as they may offer discounts for booking directly. You can also use websites like Booking.com or Expedia to compare prices and find the best deals. Tip number 5. Pack smart. Packing smart can help you save money and avoid additional baggage fees. Only bring the essentials and avoid overpacking. Also, consider packing snacks and a refillable water bottle to save money on food and drinks during your travels. You can also pack a portable charger and a universal adapter to avoid buying these items at a higher price at your destination. Tip number 6. Take advantage of free activities. Many destinations offer free activities that you can take advantage of. For example, you can visit museums on free admission days, explore parks and gardens, or take walking tours of the city. You can also check out local events and festivals, which are often free or low cost and provide a great opportunity to experience the local culture. Tip number 7. Use public transportation. Using public transportation is a great way to save money on transportation during your travels. Instead of taking taxis or renting a car, use buses, trains, or subways to get around. Many cities offer day passes or discounted rates for tourists, so make sure to do your research beforehand. Also, consider walking or biking to explore the city. Tip number 8. Book flights early. Booking your flights early can often save you money. Airlines typically release their flights around 6 to 9 months in advance, so keep an eye out for deals and book as soon as you can. Also, consider flying on weekdays instead of weekends, as flights tend to be cheaper on weekdays. Tip number 9. Bring your own snacks. Bringing your own snacks and meals can save you money on food during your travels. Pack some granola bars, fruits, or sandwiches in your carry-on bag to avoid buying expensive airport food. You can also bring an empty water bottle and fill it up after security to avoid paying for bottled water. Tip number 10. Avoid tourist traps. Tourist traps are often overpriced and don't provide an authentic travel experience. Instead, try to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations and local neighborhoods. Ask locals for recommendations and try the local cuisine at small, family-owned restaurants instead of chain restaurants or fast food. So there you have it, our top travel hacks for budget-minded travelers. By being flexible with your travel dates, traveling during off-season, using travel rewards, booking accommodations strategically, and packing smart, you can save money and make the most out of your travels. We hope you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice. Thanks for watching.